Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's jump right in, because today we're talking about something that can totally transform your nail game. Orly's Base Nail Coat, top to bottom. Now, this is a product that promises to be the holy grail for a flawless, long-lasting manicure. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out together. This multifunctional product combines both a base coat and a top coat in one sleek bottle, designed to provide a smooth base for color application, while also giving your nails that glossy, professional finish. It's part of Orly's renowned Spa collection, which, as you might expect, is known for its salon-quality formulas. It comes in a compact 0.6-ounce bottle that's easy to handle and perfect for both home and on-the-go use. But the real question is, how well does it perform? When I first used Orly's top to bottom, I was really impressed by how easily it glided onto the nails. The formula is smooth, not too thick or runny, which means you don't get those dreaded streaks or bubbles. And I have to mention, its application was super easy and mess-free, even for those tricky edges around the cuticle. So far, so good. After allowing it to dry, I applied my regular nail color, and this is where things got interesting. Orly's Base Nail Coat definitely does what it promises in terms of creating a smooth foundation for the color to adhere to. My nail polish went on with a much more even finish than I'm used to, and I could immediately see a noticeable difference in the vibrancy of the color. The intensity of the polish was amplified, and that radiant glow? Yeah, it's not just a gimmick, it's real. I also really appreciate the wear time with this product. Over the course of several days, my nails stayed intact without chips or cracks, which is a major win. Normally, I'd be reapplying my top coat every couple of days to keep things looking fresh, but with Orly's top to bottom, I didn't need to. It definitely passed my long-lasting test. Now, of course, no product is perfect. While I love how glossy my nails look, I did notice a slight tackiness when the product first dries. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it's worth mentioning if you're in a rush. You'll want to give it an extra minute or so to fully dry down. In terms of value, it's priced reasonably for a professional quality nail product. If you're used to spending a lot on salon visits, this is a great alternative to getting that salon quality finish at home. Plus, the bottle is small enough to throw in your bag for touch-ups if you need them. When comparing Orly's Base Nail Coat to other products on the market, it holds its own. It's definitely more affordable than many top-tier professional brands, but it still delivers on both performance and quality. There are cheaper alternatives out there, but most of them won't offer that high-gloss shine or the kind of long-lasting results you get with this one. Let's talk build quality. The bottle design is sleek, and the brush is perfectly sized for smooth application. It feels sturdy, and I don't anticipate any breakage from regular use. The packaging is also really pretty, a nice, updated look from Orly, so it's definitely a product you won't mind displaying on your vanity. If you're worried about longevity, Orly's formula seems to be as durable as it claims. After multiple uses, my bottle is still going strong, and I don't feel like it's drying out or becoming difficult to apply. As for customer support, I've heard great things about Orly's customer service. They're known for being responsive and for taking good care of their customers. So if you have any concerns or issues, you can count on them to handle it efficiently. So, do I recommend Orly Base Nail Coat, top to bottom? If you're looking for a product that combines both base and top coat in one, delivers a glossy, long-lasting finish, and is easy to use, I say yes. It's a great option for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts who want that salon-quality look at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let's hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.